Time sure flies. Welcome back to 7 Saturdays to a more energy efficient home. It's our final episode of the season. Last time we learned ways to invest in our home's energy efficiency. Tatiana, what are we learning today?
We're going to keep learning about home improvement projects that can save you money.
Great, let's get to it.
Alicia, there are so many great resources out there that can help people and make their homes more energy efficient.
You know, another great resource I heard about from my neighbor was the PG&E Energy Action Guide. That's actually where I got my rebate for my new smart thermostat.
That's great. The PG&E Energy Action Guide is a handy tool to finding energy efficient products and programs to help you manage your energy bill.
And making sure our appliances are energy efficient saves us money down the road.
Let's talk about big energy wasters, old refrigerators. Instead, opt for those that are ENERGY STAR certified. They're about 9% more energy efficient.
Look, I love that. I can save more money over time and be more sustainable by replacing my old fridge. You know, but honestly, Tatiana, replacing a fridge can be a big investment for some people. So what are some other ways we can save money?
Remember, regular maintenance of your appliances help reduce the amount of energy that they need to run. So make sure to clean refrigerator coils and vents regularly. This simple step can help you save $75 a year.
Wow. I'm sad to say it, but we're at the last tip of the episode. Tatiana, what is one more thing we should know about?
Our appliances age, and over time, they just don't work as efficiently as they used to. So for example, replacing a gas water heater with an energy efficient model can save you $135 a year. Energy.gov has a really great energy appliance calculator. You should give it a try, Alicia.
You know, I was able to build an estimate of my annual electricity and gas costs by using the calculator. I could pick the appliance and input the wattage, utility rate, and time of use. And while it's an estimation, it really helps me understand just how much energy my appliances use. Thank you so much, Tatiana. I feel good knowing my home's a little friendlier to the planet and also my wallet.
It's been a great time. I'm just glad I could help share some tips that can make you all more sustainable and save you all money.
To learn more ways to save money on your bill, watch the previous episodes of 7 Saturdays to a more energy efficient home. Learn more at savingsactioncenter.com.